If you're experiencing issues with pending transfers in Yahoo Mail, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause transfers to remain pending. Try switching to a different network or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with Yahoo Mail's functionality. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies. After clearing, restart your browser and log back into Yahoo Mail. Step 3. Update your browser. Using an outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues with Yahoo Mail. Check for updates for your web browser and install the latest version. Once updated, reopen Yahoo Mail and check if the transfers are still pending. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can conflict with Yahoo Mail. Temporarily disable any extensions or add-ons you have installed, especially those related to email or security. After disabling, refresh Yahoo Mail and see if the issue persists. Step 5. Contact Yahoo Support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be time to reach out to Yahoo Support. Visit the Yahoo Help page and look for options to contact support directly. Provide them with details about the pending transfers for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the pending transfer issue in Yahoo Mail. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from Yahoo Support team.